All right, y'all. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to take a close inspection at the Bitcoin price today because absolutely, if my monocle serves me well, we're pumping like crazy right now. Hang on. I've got to get in the eye. All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Friday as Bitcoin is pumping, baby. Straight to $63,000 as we've been waiting for and hoping for all week, okay? Hoping and waiting for all week, man. It's absolutely crazy. It's crazy.
We're pumping, and it's going to be huge. Right to the 6-1 ETA, the biggest pump in the world, and everybody knows it. China knows it, and that little guy from North Korea, whatever his name is.
Huge shout out to everybody in the chat. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Shout out to For and Van Eterinum. He says that beat hits hard. Shout out to C Mano. He says, hey Casper. Shout out to Matt Eagle. Shout out to Bullish on Parade. He says, yo, hope everyone is healthy and happy. God bless you all. Shout out to the Dusty Hunt. Shout out to Turpentine Hunter who says, send it, baby. Pump it, baby. We're pumping, baby. We are coming up to... You know, if we can hold above $63,000, we are absolutely going to pump right up to the 618 at around $64,300. The next area of resistance and my next take profit is going to be right in here, baby. All right, let's see if we can't do it. All right, let's see if we can't do it. Let's see if we cannot hit a new all-time high. We have broken the trend line, guys. We are doing all the things. All right, we're doing all the things. Guys, if we can get 1,000 likes within the first half hour of the stream, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT. How did we know it was going to pump? Man, we've been talking about it all week, baby. All right, I've been talking about it all week, how we knew it was going to pump. It's all in the monocle, baby. All right, you got to get the monocle. All right, hang on. You've got to get the monocle. You've also have to try and picture yourself as possibly being from the UK. All right. Because obviously, if you're from the UK, everything you say sounds much smarter. Smarter. If you got a monocle, I need a pipe too. Probably need to smoke a pipe. Alright, no Pikachu hats when you got the monocle on. Alright, sorry, I'm in a good mood today, guys. It's a Friday, Bitcoin's pumping. I'm talking with a horrible accent right now. Alright, shout out to, how about 1,000 beer? 1,000 beers? Oh my goodness. I think you might die of alcohol poisoning if I gave you 1,000 beers, my man. Alright, huge shout out to the sponsors of the channel. First of all, shout out to Cipher, shout out to CryptoFace, because it is Cipher that has been telling us that we were going to come high. Alright, also guys, shout out to BLOFIN, which is right now offering all these juicy 10% cash back, $2,000 bonus future bonus, link in the description. And of course, I'm also trading on MEXC, the best fees in the world. Shout out to the Casper crew. Yeah, guys, this is some pretty intense price action right here. As we are getting a pretty big pump here, let's just kind of go over what has happened on the daily time frame, guys. The reason why I've been feeling so dang bullish is because we were coming back up to test this value area low. I've been talking about this since, I guess, especially since yesterday when I said, look, this is looking bullish. Money flows crossing up on the good old daily time frame. Hang on, let me lower this music a little bit. This is insanely loud right now. Hang on. There we go. All right, money flow coming up on the daily time frame. After printing a very bullish divergence, right, we came down to this very key level here. And this key level was, in fact, the support resistance flip going all the way back to January 2024. All right, so took along from this level a trade setup that I let everybody know we were taking in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Then, of course, we gave another long setup from this area in the Casper Crew VIP Discord as well. And so we are just holding these long trades, guys, as we're coming up now back inside the fair value zone, which means if we can reclaim 63K, which it looks like we are, we're above $63,200 right now. My next target is going to be this right here. Pull the fib from that high to the low. We got our Fibonacci golden pocket coming in right here at about $64,400. All right, it's gonna be a pretty interesting level, guys. A pretty interesting level. We got ourselves a daily order block in here. We've got ourselves the Fibonacci golden pocket. We got ourselves a support resistance flip coming back from this area right here. So this is going to be our next area of resistance, and right now the Bitcoin price is well on her way to that level. All right, let's see, baby. Let's see who we got in the chat right now. Major shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Major shout out to Numad Javed. He says, bro, you should have to give away 1K now to me. Well, bro, you can't just demand money, my friend. You can't just come onto YouTube and start demanding money, all right? Shout out to the Video Kingdom, who's shouting out Daryl Hall. And Daryl Hall says, the Video Kingdom, God name in Ven, and send him home Jason. Okay, cool. Shout out to Data PhD. 703 people watching, only 170 likes. Yeah, guys, let's get the likes up to 1,000 in the first half hour so that we can give away $1,000. All right? So we can give away $1,000. Shout out to Bitcoin Slut 1. Shout out to our pod, who says, yo, yo. Shout out to Xavier, who says, what's up? Shout out to Godzilla with the blue smiling face, blue smiling face, blue smiling face, blue smiling face. Shout out to Andy Bitcoin Census. Guys, make sure to go like, follow, and subscribe to Andy from Bitcoin Census, one of the best traders in the world, one of the best YouTubers in the world, one of the best people in the world. Shout out to Rakan for the super chat, who says, pair character lifting some weights, saying, keep it up, bro. Ah! That's awesome. That's what's up. Huge shout out to Juan Take. He says, que pasa, mi amigo. Here we go, baby. Bitcoin pumping. Let's take a look at Market Cipher B. And again, the daily time frame, getting that money flow cross, the 4-hour, invalidating the bearish divergences that we would have had here, guys. I'm thinking we come up to 64.4. I'll be honest with you. Let's check out the order flow right now. So this is happening on a pretty big decrease of OI, to be honest with you, which means it's really not the strongest move in the world. Not yet. Not yet. This is happening on actually, this entire move to the upside is happening on a decrease of open interest, which means it's really not the strongest move in the world. All right, this is actually not what I want to see. I'll be honest with you, man. This is not what it's not what I want to see right now. But I will tell you this: it is a Friday. Let's really keep our eyes on this daily close, guys, because this is if we close this daily candle above 60,500, that is a very strong daily close. I actually really like what I see. And if you remember yesterday, we were looking at this, okay? We were watching this trend line yesterday saying the Bitcoin price has closed in fact, we're on the 2-day time frame. In my video yesterday saying the Bitcoin price has closed a 2-day candle above this key value area low at $60,500. And we're looking at this candle saying right now we're coming back down to retest. Right? We've broken out and now we're retesting. And as long as we hold above this level, we're expecting pump. Well, look at what happened. We broke out. We got the perfect retest. Now we're pumping. Money flow crossing on that daily after getting the very juicy uneven butt cheek pattern. Right? The uneven butt cheek. The big left cheek, the skinny right cheek. We got it right over here on good old Market Cipher B. All right, we're going to stretch it out. We had our left cheek, and we had our right cheek, right? It's kind of a large pattern here, but we can make those cheeks fit. You got to force it to fit. But we had a really nice double drive of bull div. Then we had a money flow cross as we were breaking out and retesting this trend line. All right, that's what was keeping me bullish yesterday. If you guys saw the video, if you didn't, well, make sure to go watch it to get an analysis of why I was looking for this before we actually got this to happen. All right. So huge shout out to my man FB Kiznemo. He says shout out to Kunitakate Ando. Sorry. All right. I'm not good at pronouncing names. All right. Shout out to my man Ollie. Shout out to Cheyenne. And shout out to RSK Noor. He says, bro, you owe me 0.1 Bitcoin for the pizza. Oh, man. Do you guys remember when you could buy pizza for a very small Bitcoin price? All right. All right. Guys, we are close to 1,000 watchers. And we are close then to our giveaway. This is nuts. This is crazy. Let's see how this plays out, guys. Now, what do we need to be aware of right now as we are coming up? There's a few things we need to be aware of. thing number one, well, obviously, there is the potential right now, as we are watching this play out, that we're still in a downtrend, right? A more macro downtrend, right? We made our high, we made our low, we made our lower high, we made our lower low, we made our lower high, we made our lower low. If we're going to make a lower high, where's that going to be? Most likely, guys, it's going to be in this box right here between the Fibonacci 618 and the 786. Why? Well, because we know that 618 Fibonacci, 6 Juanita is her name, the girl of my dreams, my high school crush. Had a huge crush on her, and I was a little nerdy in high school, okay? She was a cool cheerleader chick, but I was nerdy. I had a monocle, and I was like, 6 Juanita, would you care to go out with me, Jason Casper, after school? We could potentially go out for some chips, which is how us Brits say French fries. All right. Well, she rejected me, guys, right from the 618 Fibonacci. Of course, why did she reject me? It was because her true love, Sam Bankman-Fried, was standing right there, and she gave her the face. And so she had to reject me. But Sam Bankman-Fried did have upside-down bearish man boobs. Okay, so here's what we need to be looking for. If we're going to come up to that zone, that 618, if we're going to get a real rejection here, I would really be interested in seeing something like this. It doesn't look like we're going to get it now. It really doesn't. But this is the zone where we need to be watching, especially that 4-hour time frame. Because if it's a slow grind, let's say we just chill out here over the weekend, we start to range for a little bit over the weekend, and then we get one last big pumperoni, we might start to form the upside down Sam Bankman-Fried uneven man boob pattern, which would result in a lower high, bringing us back down to a lower low. Like, that is a real potential right now. This box is the next zone that we need to be aware of as traders, right? We're not traders, because we're not betraying anybody, unless you're one of those people that think shorting the market is absolutely immoral, in which case we are traders. We're betraying you, Bitcoin hodlers. All right. But look, if you're just a normal trader who longs and shorts, this is the next area that we need to be aware of, okay? And look, of course, above the 618 level, we have this 786 Fibonacci as well. And 786 is the older sister of 6 Juanita. So you had 6 Juanita and her older sister, 786ia. Both females would not go on a date with your boy Jason Casper in high school for various reasons. But yeah, I'd say this, if we can reclaim the 786, and within this box is also the high volume node for the entirety of this massive range going all the way back to February. So this box is key. I mean, like, if we see something like this where we come up and we start to form another bull flag in here, this is the area where we need to look for longs. Like, this range that's gonna form probably, I'd say there's a good chance we form some kind of a range in here. This is going to be the next major playground for us traders and traders to look for longs and shorts. All right? Because if we come up here and we see bullish signs and we're flipping resistance into support and we get bullish divergences, this could really be our next major trade setup, right? Just like this was a trade setup here, right? The consolidation, right? In the Casper crew, we took 2 trades here. We took this trade and we took this trade. Why? Because when you come to a resistance and you consolidate, that's where you look for the trades. So if we're going to come up here and form another little range, this is where we could potentially look for our next long trade to the top, right? We flip this major resistance into support. I don't see why we can't shoot for a $75,000 Bitcoin, right? And also, if we start to form a range here, we need to be aware of the bearish Sam Bankman-Fried upside down man boo patterns, because that could give us now a short trade, right? Because look, we don't care which way the market goes. We just care about volatility, and we understand key levels are the places to look for trades. And our next key level is going to be here. Now, when we go to the higher time frames, when we go to the week, now I'm going to try. Here's the thing, guys. You guys remember Jason Casper in a long trade from this area, okay? Jason Casper was long from this low back in July, and Jason Casper was very bullish because of the weekly green dot. Jason Casper was convinced we're going to take this high, all right? Jason Casper was wrong. All right, Jason Casper made $10,000 on a long trade when he could have made $27,000. Wow. All right. Jason Casper's long again from this low. Okay. And when Jason Casper sees a green dot on the weekly, he gets giddy as a schoolgirl. All right. As giddy as 786 And I'm trying my best right now, guys, to stop talking about myself in the third person. And I'm also going to stop. I'm going to try not to get overly excited because, look, last time I had the green dot, I got way too excited. Now we have 2 days for this green dot to confirm. If this green dot confirms, it's going to be really hard for me not to be convinced that we're going to take the highs again. Look at this. We have a green dot printing on the weekly. We have a bullish divergence printing on the 5-day time frame. We have a bullish divergence confirmed on the 2-day time frame with money flow getting higher. We have multiple drive of bullish divergence on the daily time frame. Money flow crossing from the purple into the blue on the daily time frame. These are some bullish signs, all right? I'm trying not to get too bullish because the last few times I've been too bullish, it didn't work out. So I'm going to try not to get too bullish. That's why I've been conservative. And I said, we're coming to 63K for sure. And if we break that, then we're coming up to 67K. But a deep part of me, deep within my nefesh, all right, deep within my soul, I feel that we can go for the highs again. All right. Now, I understand the bearish sentiments here. I've been talking about them as well. I understand that we have bearish divergences here on the monthly and even on the 2-month. But you have to understand, high time frame bearish signals take a long time to play out, months. If you see a signal on the 2-month time frame, it could take months, half a year or more for that thing to play out because we're dealing with so many days of price action. So yeah, we have bearish divs on the 2-month. That doesn't mean we can't do this. It doesn't even mean we can't do this before the top is in, right? And by that time, we're looking at 2025, which is right around the time you would expect a top based on the 4-year cycles. And I'm not going to sit here and say that it's been an easy time for me because you guys know, all right? I don't hold anything back from you guys. You guys know about my spot portfolio. You know I'm 20% out of Bitcoin from below 20K. You know my next target is 80,000. And I am holding on to that $80,000 take profit sell. I have not sold, right? I'm waiting for this before I take another 20% out. And then 100K if we make it, right? So it hasn't been easy to hold through all this, right? You got to think. It's literally been, right now, when we take a look at all this time trading, 180 days. That's half a year. It's been half a year that we haven't done anything on Bitcoin, right? Half a year. But I really do. I really like these signals we have here. This looks really nice. This wick looks really nice, right? The support resistance flip coming down to this key level. All right. Shout out to the Casper crew taking the dang long trade literally from exactly this low right here. All right. I told everybody I was taking that long trade during the New York Open live stream. We've also given other long trades along the way in the Casper crew, the best trading community in the world. All right, we got an entire beginner's course in there at jasoncaspertrading.com. 3 instructors giving multiple live streams every single day, a whole beginner's course. It's amazing, the best community in the world. All right, also guys, right now, the 2 best trading exchanges for now are MEXC. MEXC, best deal on fees, 0% spot fees, absolutely amazing, and BLOFIN. If you want to trade futures without KYC, BLOFIN is currently the way to go. All right, BLOFIN right now is offering Jason Casper 10% cash back until September 19th, $2,000 future bonus, and depending on your trading volume, you can get these prizes. All right, it's actually a good deal. Like most exchanges give you a crappy deal. But BLOFIN right now is trying to capitalize on the fact that everybody has to move away from their old exchanges because of KYC, and so, you know. And if you do want a KYC, you know, I have this thing called a Palu ID, which is how I'm able to trade on exchanges like ByBit and like MEXC, even though I am located in the United States. All right. So let's go, baby. Bitcoin pumping, breaking out the trend line, breaking back into the value area low of the range. Next stop for me, 64,350, baby. One last thing to be aware of here actually is this. We have a very high volume node from the end of July at around 64.6, which comes in right in between the golden pocket, between the 618 and the 0.65. So 64.6 is right here. So this is going to be a major area of resistance for Bitcoin. I'm very interested to see what happens here. You know, if we take a look at this and we just pull this thing, right, pull it back here, we can see that this was a pretty key zone. I'm going to even remove this volume profile for now. You know, our first big pump up back in the end of February, we came to 64.4 to the dang dollar. Then it was support throughout the entirety of March. And then it was our resistance throughout April and May. And then it was support again in May, consolidation in June, and then it was support throughout July. So this green box right here is a very key level. It's a very high volume node. It's just a support resistance flip. We can see this even if we go like to the weekly time frame. We can see, wow, look at how this area, the candles wick down to this area and wick up to this area multiple times. And this is a very reactive zone right here. All right. So we got to be aware. All right. Now, interesting stuff too happening today. We did have some news this morning. Jerome Powell spoke, and the man was in fact quite, he was quite bullish, right? Well, what I mean is it really made it seem like they're going to start easing, changing financial policy, cutting rates, which people are right now interpreting as bullish. Now, whether it's bullish or bearish, you know, obviously that's debatable. People will say it's bullish, it's bearish, long term, this, that. It doesn't really matter. The point is, we're building a bullish narrative as we have bullish things on the chart. And if we inspect closely, well, yeah, we could hit some of these next targets. Guys, we have over 1,000 people in the chat right now and 300 likes. If we can get 1,000 likes in the next 8 minutes, we are going to give away $1,000. All right, we can get 1,000 likes in the next 8 minutes. We're going to give away 1,000 USDT. All right, 1,000 USDT. Can we do it? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Can we do it? All right, I am up right now on these trades. 15K plus another 2K. That's $17,000. Plus another 11K, so that's 28K. Plus another 8K. So like 36K combined here. Plus, I'm in other trades as well that I don't even have logged on right now. Up another $7,000. Right, so we're up like 40K. I'm trying to give away $1,000 if everybody likes the dang stream. All right, can we do it? You guys think we can do it? Can we do it? Look at this. We were talking about this bull flag going all the way back now to the middle of Augusto. And here we are breaking out, coming to our next major area of resistance. All right. So make sure to like the stream, guys. Did I check the liquidation heat map? Nope, I did not. I did not check the liquidation heat map. I did not. I did not. I think we can get the likes, guys. I think we can get the likes. A lot of chicken food you can buy. Yeah, here's the thing, guys. All right. First of all, man, we got some baby chicks on the homestead, right? This is the first time I've ever hatched eggs under a hen. I had a broody mama. A broody mama. I had a broody mama, and she was just sitting on those eggs. You know, I told the story earlier in the week, but I had a hen who was very broody, and she also kept getting out of the chicken coop, so I put her in a separate coop. And she was so broody, I let her sit on the eggs, and then I realized there was no rooster with her, so the eggs were infertile, and so I put a rooster in there, and the rooster was getting it on with this hen. Let me tell you, man, they were in love. It was like a summer fling, and this hen sitting on the eggs, and then, you know, a few days ago, I open up I open up the coop to check on the hen and the mom, and I hear the little peep, 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 peep. We got some baby chicks on the Casper homestead, and here's the thing. Chicken food, man, if you let your chickens free range, you don't have to feed them very much at all, alright? We have our chicken set up right now where they can have it's basically like they're free ranging. They're confined on our property, but they can go into the woods real deep. We got fencing that goes out all around the chicken coop into the woods. You really don't have to feed them a lot because chickens are birds, you know? And you don't feed wild birds and they don't die, and they also lay eggs and reproduce. And so if you give chickens, you know, a good environment, you don't have to really feed them that much, and they still lay eggs and apparently reproduce without an incubator. So it's pretty dang cool. Also, guys, we are harvesting crazy amounts of food right now on this homestead as it is harvesting season. This was a good year on the homestead. I put in the least amount of work ever this year, and I probably got one of the most bountiful harvests in the world because I've implemented some new gardening techniques that have, in my opinion, been game changers. All right, they've been game changers. All right. Are we gonna do a giveaway? Well, we're 400 likes away from a $1,000 giveaway. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, maybe we'll do a baby chick giveaway. All right. Maybe we'll do a baby chick giveaway. All right. Are we gonna hit our? I think we're gonna hit our take profit today, guys. Let's check out order flow. What's happening right now? Remember, this was happening on a decrease of OI. Ooh, now we've got some longs coming in. All right, we got a few longs coming in up here. So let's watch, because we need to watch to see if we start to form any kind of bearish CVD divergences here. So far, so good. So far, so good. We have about 11 million longs long at the exact top. Oof. All right, not recommended. Not recommended. 11 million longs at the top. Not recommended. And people are always like, Jason, why do you say 11 million longs? It's because I'm fully convinced in my head that there are 11 million individual people each putting $1 into the market. That's why I say 11 million longs. And not one trader with $11 million. I know for certain, just 11 million random people out there with $1 in their account. Just hitting that long button, baby. Hitting that long, baby. 100x. What are the game-changing gardening techniques? We'll talk about it, but make sure to subscribe to the channel, right? Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Right? We're well on our way to 200,000 subscribers.
Jason Casper, let me tell you, that man is something else. A true warrior for change. He's the first ever trans non-carbon binary emission gender standards major to ever reach 200,000 subscribers on YouTube.
And I got to give a major shout out to Tom Crown, all right? Tom Crown in the chat. Tom Crown, God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for dropping in the chat. If you're not subscribed to Tom Crown, go subscribe to Tom Crown. Literally one of the best, highest quality, fastest growing, hardest working YouTubers out there. And I mean this with all my heart. Tom Crown, one of the best YouTubers out there. Dude, he really puts in the work and the effort day after day to provide you guys with quality content. Okay? And Nabil Imram, shout out to you. Shout out to Bad Baptist. Shout out to AG. He says sing the pump song. We got Tom Crown in here. We got Andy from Bitcoin Census. Two of the highest quality YouTube channels out there, in my opinion. Tom Crown is the G. That's right, Juicy Green Blessings. Well, in the Casper crew household, it's blue, juicy blue pumps. All right, here we go, baby. We're trying to pump. All right, we're trying to pump. Now, let's see what happens here, guys. I'm in one short on Bitcoin still from $71,278. All right, but I'm in 4 Bitcoin long trades. All right, I'm in this one. I'm in this one, which I'm not logged in, but this is accurate entries. This is from the long from the Casper crew, right? That we told everyone I was taking this long trade. We're in this one, also from literally the bottom. Told everybody I was taking this trade. in the Casper Crew New York Open live stream. And guys, I do have to say, we have reached our time limit to get 1,000 likes for the giveaway, but I'm going to extend it another 5 minutes for you guys. All right? I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. Actually, we'll do it 6 minutes, 7 minutes. All right, 7-minute timer here. All right? 7-minute timer. If we can get 1,000 likes in 7 minutes, we'll be giving away $1,000. All right, let's do it, baby. Let's do it. Shout out to Jeremiah Brown. Shout out to R Pink. Shout out Tom Crown. Tom Crown also has a short from 71 too. That's what's up, baby. That is what is up, right? I mean, look, you gotta hedge yourself, right? Especially us hodlers. We gotta hedge. We gotta hedge. So, yeah, let's see. We're coming up to this next zone of resistance right here. And here's the thing, guys. Again, and Tom Crown, you let me know your vibes, bro. But I'm feeling irresponsibly bullish, and I was feeling irresponsibly bullish here and here. I just can't help it. When we confirm green dots on the weekly, and we got multiple drive of bull div on the daily, and we got 5-day bull div, and we got 2-day bull div, and a daily money flow cross. And after we get this massive support resistance flip here, this really nice bullish looking wick, you know, look at the monthly candle. We have 8 days left. Can you imagine if we close this candle blue? I know the 2-month shooting star. I know the potential of the 2-month bear div, but I think we go for those highs. There's no way we don't go for the highs, right? Come on, am I smoking the hopium? Look at the 12-hour, guys. Look at the dang 12-day, I mean. Look at the 12-day. Look at the 12-day. Can you imagine if we print a green dot right here on the 12-day? I mean, it will be in a few days, right? It could be in like a month. September 12-day green dot. That could be the thing that really pushes us to that next all-time high. Look at the money flow. I remember back when the 4-day looked like this, back in February. I remember I went away. I went away on vacacion, which is my native tongue for saying vacation, back in February. And the 4-day was looking like this, all right? The 4-day was looking like this. I remember I was long. We were long from here. When we reclaimed $40,000 in the Casper Crew, we took that long trade because we got a fake out of the range low and back into, and the 4-day was looking like this. And I'm like, if the 4-hour looked like this, we would look for a massive pump. Now we got the 4-day looking like this, and that gave us our big pump. Now we got bullish divergence on the 4-day, plus the 12-day looking so dang juicy, man. Like, I don't know. You guys let me know what you think in the chat. In fact, let's take a poll here. All right, we'll close our poll. Most of you guys are bullish, but what do you think about the 12-day? All right, 72% bullish. Let's take another poll. What do you think about the 12-day? It's either bullish or bear trap. Bullish or bull trap. Yeah, it's either bullish or bear trap, one or the other, right? There's no bearish scenario here. Shout out to our super chats, all right? Shout out to my man J-Boy Bullish. He says, shout out to Boyan, the man, the myth, the legend in the chat, best trader in the world. Big shout out. Huge shout out to Boyan, guys. Boyan, one of the instructors in the Casper Crew, always giving his non-signals, but Boyan, it literally is one of the best traders in the world. I don't know how he calls this stuff, man. I don't know how he calls this stuff. All right, dude is a machine. Dude is a machine. All right, here we go, baby. Here we go, getting a nice little pump on Bitcoin. And guys, we're so close to giving away $1,000. Truth says you can't spell bullish. I can't spell anything, Truth. Tortoise. I can't spell anything. Do you know how hard it is? First of all, I could never spell. All right. But second of all, do you know how hard it is to type on a dang treadmill? It's hard. It's hard. Where's Boyan from? He's an 80-year-old Chinese man from China. All right. An 80-year-old Chinese man from China. Boyan is from space. Boyan is from space. How do these people not like the vid? Well, you know how it is. You know how it is. Honestly, look, we've all been there. We're listening to a stream. We're driving. We're doing dishes. We're doing something. Our phone is not even, we're not even looking at the screen. We're just listening. We're passing through, looking for that next dopamine hit. Maybe Casper can give me that nice dopamine hit I need. Maybe he's got the Pikachu hat. Maybe he's doing the pump song. But look, we're not actively involved with the stream. I know how it is, you know. Why am I logging on different exchanges instead of just one, says Chris Weimer. Well, Chris, it's because I trade across multiple exchanges. I can't enter multiple long trades for the same pair, right? If I wanted to enter another long right now, I'd just be adding to this trade. But in the future, there will be solutions to this problem coming very soon, all right? Here we go, baby. We're pumping up to our next TP. Man, I'm excited. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling excited here, guys. I'm feeling excited. All right, you need that 1K? Then smash the likes, guys. Let's smash the likes. We're 200 likes away. We're 200 likes away. And Bitcoin's about to pump. It's about to pump. Bitcoin about to pump. Bitcoin, she will not dump. Bitcoin about to pump. Bitcoin, she will not dump. Bitcoin about to pump. Bitcoin, she will not dump. Bitcoin about to pump. Bitcoin, she will not dump. Bitcoin, can you spot it? About to go up and hit our take profit. Here we go, timer going off. Let's check if the likes are on off. Here we go, 12,000 in the chat every single day. What you think about that? I'ma check it. 853, that's what we got on the next TV. Hopefully by the time I'm done we get enough likes, we can have some fun, do a giveaway. $1,000 every day on the treadmill trying to get paid. Next thing you know, price goes purple and blue right out the window. 122661, Bitcoin price about to pump, have some fun. My man, is he walking on a treadmill, maybe going uphill? No, I'm walking up the bull run, straight to the top. 100K, what fun, yeah. Next we're coming to the top, blue and purple candles just won't stop. First blue, then we're turning purple, trading like a nerd and they call me Steve Urkel. That's right, come on guys, smash up the likes. We could still maybe do a $1,000 giveaway. Alright, we could still maybe do a $1,000 giveaway. Maybe. Come on. Next stop is the golden profit. Got a limit order out to take pocket. Next thing you know, the price flips. That's how we do when I'm looking for my tricks. Here we are on ByBit MEXC. Let me take a look at the trade D. Yeah, in the profit every day. Only green, red, every day get paid. On the treadmill, walking uphill, walking downhill. Hopefully my name is not Dave Hill. Hopefully my name will not dust spill. Got the water on my desk, what do I do next? Bitcoin pumping like my chest. At the gym all day, straight to the biceps and skip leg day. Got the toothpicks for legs. Hopefully I don't have to beg for somebody to help me every single day when I'm curling in the squat rack. Yeah, got twirl when I'm curling in the squat rack. Skip leg day, curling in the squat rack. Skip leg day, curling in the squat rack. Alright. How we doing? We pumping? We getting our likes? Maybe. This is a hard beat to freestyle over, I'll be honest with you. Shout out to Aaron G in the chat. Look, man, we're 10 minutes over, but we're so dang close to 1,000 likes. Let's get the 1,000 likes so we can just do a giveaway. I want to do a dang giveaway, all right? I'm up $40,000 in profits in all these long trades. Let's do a dang giveaway, all right? Yeah, what do you say, J Casper? About to do a giveaway. What do you say, J Casper? About to do a giveaway. Hey, What do you say, Jay Casper? About to do a giveaway. Now we need 90 likes, then we get to do a giveaway. Every day on the treadmill trying to get paid. Just a white guy trying to rap. 200 people, what about that? Hopefully we can give it away. Then you guys can get paid. Yeah, it's a hard beat to freestyle over. And I'm just a white guy, not even a rapper. All right, I don't even know how to rap, because white guys can't rap, right? Right? I don't know. What do I know? All right. Okay. Here we go. We're close. We're 75. I think we can count on it. I think we can count on it to get our giveaway. I think we can count on it to get our giveaway. And Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a pump here, guys. She is getting a little bit of a pump here, y'all. Curling in the squat rack. Counting pauses in a 3-minute time frame if it's not whack. I like that bar, man. I like that line. Yo, it's leg day after working at the farm. I go into the gym, but decide to do arms. I walk to the squat rack, and what do you say about the curl in the squat rack and skip leg day? So I grab a couple dumbbells, walk up to the squat rack. What is that smell? It's the guy behind me just let out a fart. Got the technical analysis like a work of art. Yeah, then I do my first set. Start curling dumbbells. What will I do next? Get down, do some push-ups for the chest. All in the squat rack, that's what I do best. I got some dudes waiting for the squat rack. I tell them, bro, you better turn back. Can I work in? Heck no, on my chin. I'm gonna curl here from breakfast until dinner. Yeah. Now they're getting pretty mad. My biceps got a pump, but my legs are looking bad. Cause I never do squats and I never do leg curls. Got big biceps, no legs for the girls. How does this guy even stand up, bro? Got the toothpicks, Check it out, how many likes we got. 40 more likes, that'll really hit the spot. Then we're gonna give away $1K dollars to the chat, man. Hip hip hooray. Cause we're curling in the squat rack. If you're here to do legs, then you better turn back. Got the biceps, then we pump the chest. That's all we do day after day is what next? Arms and chest forever. Bitcoin price floating up like a feather. We're in the long trade, about to hit a TP. Right to the golden if you know what I mean. Yeah, got the NPOC right in the pocket if you see what I see. Pumping up here if you know what I mean. Then we're about to take a profit, we're living the dream. All right. I think we can. All right. Yeah. We'll. I like this. I like these bars, Aaron G. Aaron G should come on here and start spitting bars. All right. All right. Let's check out. Let's get to the order flow chart here, man. What do we got going on? Let's check it out. Nothing really. We had longs open at the exact top. Not a good sign. We have a few shorts. It's just floating. Like she's not doing much. Let's check out our 12-minute time frame. All right, 12 minutes giving us a top here. Money flow starting to come down here. So really, honestly, guys, I would be watching for this area up here, right? I would be watching for this area up here to see what happens. And if we lose 63K, we could come down a bit more. I was really hoping for some more pumpage. I was really hoping for some more pumpage here, guys. Shout out to Big Time Mindset. Shout out to Livin. He wants me to check one of his bars. All right. Bull trap on the like button, baby. Let's hit that like. Let's smash that like, all right? I'm going to set an alert if we start to lose 63K. Because I want to be aware of that. All right. We got 1,000 likes, baby. What software for Delta clusters? I train delts every single day, man, along with my chest and biceps. All right. I got those delt clusters, baby. Just kidding. I'm using exo charts. Exo charts. All right. All right. Exo charts. All right, man. We might float around here for a little, and I was hoping we would really get a big old pump. All right, but let's see what happens. But we can do it. We can do a $1,000 giveaway right now. We can. We can. Yes, we can. We can do a $1,000 giveaway. All right. Let's do it. Shout out to my super chats in here. All right. Thank you so much, Rakan, for all your super chats. May God bless you. All right. Let's do a giveaway. All right. Here's what we're going to do, guys. All you got to do for the $1,000 giveaway is spam the chat. Spam the chat. I'm going to count down from 10. And take a screenshot. Whoever's highlighted on my cursor wins. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Boom! All right, and we have ourselves a winner, guys. Our winner is... Our winner is Maz, M-A-Z. So M-A-Z, what you got to do is Maz, M-A-Z. Just type in the chat here. And when I see you, Maz, I'm going to make you a moderator, and once you're a moderator, you'll be able to post your USDT address without it getting blocked by the bot. So, congratulations, Maz. Say something in the chat, Maz. All right, Maz. Say something in the chat, Maz. And then we'll make you a moderator. Once you're a moderator, Maz, then we'll give... Okay, I see you. Maz is here. All right, you're a moderator. Now, Maz, just type your USDT address in the chat, and we will give you $1,000. $1,000. Congratulations, Maz, for winning $1,000. Congratulations. Congratulations. Go ahead and... Congratulations, by the way. What a cool thing. All right, we're holding 63K, baby. We're holding it. We're pumping it, baby. Shout out to Maz. Can we do a Casper crew membership giveaway, Data PhD? Maybe. Yeah, Maz, you just won $1,000. Isn't that cool? Shout out to Maz winning $1,000. All right. All right, Maz. Go ahead and, all right, I got it. I got it. I got you, Maz. Shout out to Maz for winning 1,000 USD Tizzle. I'm about to send that right now. All right. All right, Maz, just sent you 1,000 USDT. All right, shout out to BigButts28. BigButts28 just sent me a picture of a blue velvet ant. All right, a blue velvet ant. You guys see? Pretty cool. Also, BigButts28 is doing a science experiment for homeschool, watching yeast grow. That's what's up, BigButts28. Shout out to BigButts28. Homeschooling the kids while Jason Casper's on the treadmill degen trading. You know, if that ain't American, I don't know what is, man. If that ain't American, shout out to Maserati. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shouting out Maz the Mod. All right, man. And also, a huge shout out, because we just finished up Casper Crew Game Day, where we gave away $2,500 worth of prizes to the members of the Casper Crew playing games. That was a fun time as well. Shout out to the Casper Crew, the best trading community in the world. All right. Let's see. Back to the charts. We're holding the $63,000 level. Look at that. We came back down to retest it, basically to the dollar. Would you look at this, guys? 63,000 was tapped back to retest to the dollar. 63,001.5. So I think we can make it up to our higher targets, man. I think we can make it to our next take profit. Put a 1 in the chat if you think we can hit our next take profit, guys. All right, some people think we're gonna hit our next take profit. We got some 1s in the chat. Here we go, baby. We are pumping. Let's take a look at our 5-minute time frame here. Nice, it's looking nice. Let's go to Market Cipher B. Let's just do some straight top-down analysis, all right? So on the daily, definitely more room to the upside. On the 4-hour, definitely more room to the upside. On the 1 hour, more upside for sure, right? The top is not in. Bear divs invalidated on the 1 hour, right? We had bear divs potentially forming at these highs, but they are invalidated. Let's go to the 24-minute. Okay, 24-minute actually does have some bearishness, I have to say, locally here, because we are seeing the money flow kind of come out and the momentum come down. But there is another way to look at this if we want to be bullish, which is the money flow is getting thicker here, right? And it kind of came down to the purple, and now it's going to start getting thicker again. That's the way I like to look at it with bull glasses on. Let's go to the 12-minute. 12-minute to me looks quite bullish here. Money flow getting higher. Bear divs invalidated here from the last high. Yeah, we technically still have it from this high. But I'd say because we're breaking out of resistance and we have this level above, I would much rather wait for a higher here. Let's go to our 6-minute. 6 minutes looking nice, like another big push could happen. Let's see if we can't get another big push up to our zone here, guys. Let's see if we can't hit our take profit right now. Let's see if we can't hit another take profit. That would be nice if we could hit another TP. Shout out to Big Butts 28. Sending me all these text messages. I love you, Big Butts. Big Butts. I love you, girl. You're the love of my life. She says, "Aw, what's that? What is that? Is what? Yeast and sugar water. Don't drink it? It does smell like beer. Is that what you're saying? What'd you plant? You're crunching bugs? Nice. Cool. Cool, man, I'm missing all the fun, guys. I'm missing all the dang fun. All right, let's see. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. We got let's check out our order flow chart here. I don't know. Like, I don't even know. I'm just kind of hoping and waiting for higher right now, guys. Just kind of hoping and waiting for higher. Let's go, baby. We got a TP at 64,158. 64,158. Shout out to Chris. He says Yuan 1 yuan. 1 yuan. Yuan 1 yuan. Yuan. Is it the spell? See, I don't know Chinese because I'm not buoyant. Shout out to Family Room Films. We just broke the daily high, baby. Shout out to Aaron G. Have a great weekend. May God bless you and your family, bro. Thank you so much for being in here. I really appreciate you. All right, Moss had a weird dream of winning some sort of prize last night. Well, the prize you won, my man, was the giveaway, baby. The giveaway, baby. The giveaway, baby. All right, here we go. We're pumping. All right, let's just get the pump song rolling on here. All right, I think we can hit a take profit if the pump song is going here. All right, it's the pump song, guaranteed Bitcoin price, guaranteed every single time to pump the Bitcoin price to our take profit without fail. 100% win rate, not financial advice. All right. All right. We got the Pikachu hat. We got a microphone here because we're going to sing the pump song. I need you guys to sing it with me so we can really get this thing to pump. Let's pump! Here we go. Yeah! All right, here we go, baby. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Here we go. Let's pump. Alright, we've got to use a UK accent. Inspect the price with the monocle. Alright, it looks like it's pumping. It looks like she's pumping, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna jump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna jump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna jump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna jump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna jump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna jump, yeah we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss. We use our plunger to plunge that price to the upside, baby. Here we go. It's working. It's working. Oh no! Oh no! All right. Steady, lads. Should we deploy more capital? Here we go, getting a blue candle. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Yeah, we're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump right now. Look at that massive blue pump, baby. Wow. Wow, wow. All I can say is wow, guys. All right, would you look at that? I told you it works. I told you. All right. Yeah, shout out to Splashfire Film. Sometimes it does have a delayed effect, but look at this, guys. Look at this. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin, come on! Straight to the take profit. That's what I love to see, baby. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Where's TP2? TP2 is coming up at 64,158. All right, we've already hit a TP here. We're up 4K. We're up 4K. So altogether, I'm up like 12K on these longs. Well, no, that's not true. I'm up even more than that, technically speaking. I've realized. Because I've got 4 long trades open right now. I think we can do it, guys. I think we can, all right? Come on, Bitcoin. After all that singing. After all that singing. I'm taking my next profit at 64,158 on ByBit USD. I'm going to front run that 618 by a little bit, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Hang on, we need some more hype. We need some more hype-ish music. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Nah, I don't like this. All right, let's do this one. All right, yeah, this is hot. This is good. This is fine. Here we go, baby. It's like the little engine. Yeah, I know, right? It feels like that. This pump doesn't have that real Bitcoin kind of pump vibe, does it? You know, we want a fast pump here. Well, let's investigate what's going on here. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my, it's quite peculiar. My goodness. Wow. Do you guys see what I'm seeing here? It's quite strange with the monocle, I have to say, but it does help with my weak eye here. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Too many longs at the top. Yeah, well, we're coming up to a golden pocket. All right. So let's see how she goes. A profit magnifier lens. That's what's up. All right, let's check out this order flow because people say longs at the top. It's not too many, you know, but these guys are more, right? We had 11 million at this top, and now we still got more coming in, so it's not too bad. I got a 3x leverage long here. I meant to put more on this trade, but I made a mistake, so I ended up with a smaller position size than I thought. All right, here we go, baby. Let's see if we can't tap that golden pocket. First, we're going to pump, then we're going to dump. All right. You're shorting the 618? Yeah, I'm probably going to short the 618 too. Just as it's like a hedge, honestly. Here we go, baby. We're going to smash that TP. We're going to smash that take profit. All right, yeah, 5-day bull div official printing. All right, shout out to Divine, who says 64.2 as resistance. Yeah, 64.2. Really, that's front runs our golden pocket, man. So interesting. Can you imagine if we just front run the GP like that? That'd be nuts, Divine Hood. Shout out to Divine Hood, one of the best traders in, well, I can't say in the world because I don't know every trader in the world, but in my world, Divine Hood, Boyan, White Phoenix. A lot of traders in the Casper crew. That's my world. We got some amazing traders in there. Better than me. All right. Trump is speaking right now. Interesting. Interesting. Trump is speaking right now. Fetch AI is exploding. Let's go, baby. Let's pump this Bitcoin. Come on. I'm not feeling these songs. You guys feeling these? Like, I'm not really feeling them. I need a new playlist. I really need a new playlist. You know, I need a new playlist. This is just not, it's not doing it for me anymore, guys. It's not doing it for me. I need some royalty-free hip-hop beats. All right? It's just not doing it for me. It's old. It's old. You know? It's just, I'm not feeling it. Yeah, no. I'm not feeling it, you know? Here we go, though. Bitcoin's pumping. All right, so Trump is speaking. Shout out to my man, Crypto Guido. Loves the energy. Well, God bless you, Crypto Guido. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate you. Trump is going to prison in 2025? I don't know. The last time I talked to Trump, he said this.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Jason Casper. He's the best YouTube trader in the world. He's getting huge. Shout out to the Casper crew.
You know, so I don't know. That's the last I heard from Trump. I don't think he's going to prison. All right, but Trump endorses Jason Casper. All right. And it's been a long time, but, you know, you guys know, back in college, I graduated with a degree in trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies. It's a picture of me at my graduation. Couldn't get a job with that degree. No one would hire me. I don't know why. I got a degree. Isn't that what makes you get a job? But here I am, $300,000 in debt. That's how I got into trading. And then, you know. But, yeah, at my graduation, Obama had some really nice things to say about me as well.
Jason Casper, let me tell you, that man is something else. A true warrior for change. He's the first ever trans non-carbon binary emission gender standards major to ever reach 200,000 subscribers on YouTube.
So yeah, I mean, look, I'm endorsed by everybody, man. You know, we break out of the political boundaries. All right. Man, look at this pump, baby. Look at this pump. I think we can hit our TP. J-Boy Boy says Joseph sounds like he still wears a mask. Oh man. Oh man. Well, you know, maybe he does. I don't know. I never wore a mask. I never wore a mask except for at a funeral of a family member out of respect for the family. And I wore a mask when I went to a restaurant because I didn't want these, you know, I didn't want these types to be spitting in my food because I'm not wearing a mask. So I play the game if my food is involved, all right. But other than that, I never wore a mask because I pretty much knew the whole thing was fake since like May. Around April, May. That's when I realized, yeah, this ain't real. But the next one might be real, guys, all right? The next one might actually be real. You know, what a great game. They like to play games, right? So imagine this. They give you a fake one, then the second one comes around, and you're like, ah, ain't nothing to be scared of. But then they actually unleash the real thing on you, right? Imagine that. Imagine that. What I mean, you know, since politics is all about divide and conquer in the United States, it's not real. It's just a show to divide and conquer. Imagine how much divide and conquer would happen where all these guys would start telling the other side, hey, you know, like, you should listen to us. We were right, you know? But hey, who knows, man? I don't care. I'm just out here on the land, living on the homestead, growing my own food, raising my own animals, trading, trying to be as self-sufficient as possible. Because, look, man, honestly, the only solution to all this the solution to the problems in the world right now are, number one, localism, building strong communities of people in real life who do things together and support each other through their different skills and businesses. And then, of course, more important than that is the fear of God, putting God first in everything. That's most important. Putting God first, the fear of God, the fear of the Creator, and then strong communities, relationships, and families. That's honestly the only solution to this mess. All right? Is Bitcoin going to hit our target? I don't know. Looks like maybe yes. I hope we do during the stream. What's causing the pump? The pump is look, Devin Patel, just go back and watch my videos and streams from the past few days, all right? And you'll see what's causing the pump. All right. You'll see what's causing the pump. Oh, Joe. Oh. Yeah, that's right. God first. God first. God first. Exactly, Black Swan. Exactly. I know. It's wild. It's wild. It's wild. But look, we can't talk about it any more than that, all right? Because this is a crypto trading YouTube channel. And, you know. Do I think a bigger pullback will come when the Fed pivots? I'm personally still in the camp that we are looking for a new all-time high by 2025. All right? All right, shout out, Jesus is King. Amen. To me, the most important thing in my life is my relationship with Jesus, the Messiah, because, well, he literally changed my life. But what an amazing thing that the Creator God loves his creation so much that even though man is separated from God, God took on flesh to die to pay the penalty for the sins of humanity. So that if we put our trust and faith in him, he promised us to fill us with his Holy Spirit and change us from the inside so we become new creations. And we also have the hope of a physical bodily resurrection where we get to exist in a reality that humanity was originally intended to exist in without all this nonsense. That's the hope that gets me out of bed every single morning, guys. I know not everyone believes that, but it is the truth. And it really is the only hope that humanity has. Shout out to Real Therapy. He says, what do you think about the monthly divergences on Matic? Are we talking about bullish divs here on Matic? Let's check it out. I think bullish, man. So here's the thing. I actually bought Matic on spot back here. I bought Matic on spot right here because of the bull divs. All right, so I'm basically at break even now on my Matic purchase that I made back in July. But it looks very bullish to me. We got money flow getting higher. We got momentum waves getting higher. On the weekly, it looks very bullish to me. That's why I bought Matic on spot, okay? It looks very bullish to me. It looks really bullish. I mean, that's all I can say. If this was the Bitcoin chart right now, I would be feeling way more bullish on Bitcoin. But come on, Bitcoin, we need you to pump a little bit higher than this, Bitcoin. Come on now. Come on, man. All right. What about Notcoin? I never heard of Notcoin, to be honest. Is every veteran a Messiah? I don't know. I mean, if they've been anointed with oil, then I guess technically they would be a Mashiach, right? All right. Matic died. Yeah, but it looks bullish. So look. It looks bullish. That's all I can say. Matic died. A lot of things died. If the bull run is going to continue, okay? If the bull run is going to continue, then all these altcoins are also going to have, they're going to hit new highs, right? If the bull run, I haven't sold any of my altcoins, which could be a really dumb thing, okay? This is how I'm personally playing my altcoin. The only altcoins that I've sold are ones that I bought like on MEXC in December, and I've taken partial profits on them. But my actual altcoin portfolio that I hold like on a hard wallet, I haven't sold any of that stuff. I'm waiting for all these coins to hit new highs. So if the bull run is going to continue, if Bitcoin is going to come above 75,000 and hit that $80,000 to $120,000 zone, I do believe we're going to see a lot of altcoins hit new all-time highs. It's just, in my opinion, inevitable. Could I be wrong? Yeah, I could be wrong. But you have to look at it like this. It's all about risk-reward ratios. All right. So if you have money that you're investing in speculative altcoins and it's money that you're willing to lose, you have to think to yourself, when it comes to coins like this, all right? Now, I'm not saying to do this. I'm just telling you, like, if we're convinced that we're going to hit new highs, right? Let's say you have $100 that you're willing to lose on Matic. Your two options here are either you lose 100 or you make 1,000. right? So if you're investing in these coins when they're beat down like this, and you believe that the bull market is still going to continue, it's a great risk to reward ratio. It's much better than waiting until the hype is here, where you're literally going for a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, where you either lose 100 or you make 200. Right now we're in a place where we lose 100 or make 1,000, right? So when things are beat down and we think the bull run's going to continue, the risk to reward ratio is in our favor. We're risking a little to potentially make a lot, as opposed to waiting for the hype. Then we're risking a little to make a little, right? In both cases, we're risking a little. Let's say we only have $100 to invest. If we were buying Matic in March, we're risking $100 to make maybe $200. All right, big deal. We're risking 100 to make 190. Okay, but in this case, we're risking 100 to make 1,000. Right, so. What are my thoughts on Dogecoin? So in general, my thoughts on all these altcoins are that they are going to pump, right? I do believe we're going to see all these things pump. But actually, unfortunately, guys, I have to head out. I just realized this. I have to be somewhere in 20 minutes. Look, God bless everybody in Jesus' name. Even if you're not religious, may the Lord bless you. May He bless your family. Remember to focus on the important things in life, guys. You know, God first, relationships second. Trading and money, although it's so easy to get sucked into this and spend so much time doing this, don't neglect the important for the urgent. All right, don't neglect the important for the urgent. And I'm reminding this to myself because as a father, as a husband, you know, your kids are not going to be young forever. Don't neglect the precious times that you have in your life with those you love for what seems very urgent, which is Bitcoin pumping straight to $100,000. Straight to the golden pocket, baby. We're pumping.
We're pumping, and it's going to be huge. Right to the 6-1 ETA, the biggest pump in the world, and everybody knows it. China knows it, and that little guy from North Korea, whatever his name is.
All right, yeah, guys, peace.